This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the app is installed and updated. This prevents version conflicts. Open it now and pin to the taskbar so launch is one click. If the app asks for permissions, grant only what it needs: background run for alerts, file access for saves. Once done, set a simple workspace or profile inside the app. This seeds settings for shortcuts and quick actions. Make sure notifications are enabled so the taskbar icon shows activity. Now configure the core features. Assign keyboard shortcuts and quick actions so you can trigger functions without menus. In Settings, choose how the taskbar icon behaves, show badges for unread items, enable overlay icons for status, and turn on hover previews for fast context. Arrange pinned items into a logical order and decide if you prefer auto-hide or compact small icons. This reduces clutter. Once arranged, test a shortcut and a preview to confirm everything responds as expected. Finish by running a full workflow from the taskbar. Launch, perform the action, and verify results. If icons fail to update or badges remain, restart the app first and then restart the taskbar process. This often clears stuck states. If problems persist, reset the app settings to defaults or reinstall. That resolves corrupted configurations. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Check permission and background settings before dramatic steps, because denied permissions are the most common root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.